Today we're going to be showing you how to install the brand new Rome Adventure Co. soft steps for your Vagabond rooftop tent ladders. Before installation, be sure to remove these rubber stoppers and your Velcro strap at the bottom of your ladder. To start, place the rubber cushion on the ladder rung. The arrow should be pointing towards the tent entrance. Center cushion on rung. Place metal strap on each end of the ladder rung. Screw the front 2 screws into each metal strap. Use light pressure, go slowly, and do not over tighten because this may cause the screw to spin and lose clamping force. Once the front face of the straps are secured to the ladder, push the metal straps down into the ladder from the top. While pushing the metal straps down, screw the back screws into place on each strap. And that is how you install your Rome Adventure Co. soft steps.